Hi guys, today we are going to talk about Vivo IQ New 9 Pro versus the Xiaomi 14 Pro. The Vivo IQ New 9 Pro launched on December 2023 with a price tag of $500, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of Xiaomi $850. The dimension is same, not much difference, and the weight of these devices. The Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 196 gram and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 223 grams. The build: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with front and back glass and titanium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 68 billion colors. And the size: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 6.78 inches and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 6.73 inches. The resolution of these devices: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 1260 by 2800 pixels and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 2K display. And the PPI dynasty: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 453 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 522. The refresh rate: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 144Hz refresh rate and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate. And the screen to body ratio is same, not much difference. And the protection: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with Scotch Sensation Up protection and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Xiaomi Longjing glass. And the display brightness: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 1400 nits of peak brightness and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 3000 nits peak brightness. And the camera of these devices: the Vivo IQ 9 Pro come with dual camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel and the 50 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto, and it's record 8K 24fps video. The selfie camera: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 16 megapixel of selfie camera and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 32 megapixel with 4K 60fps video record. And the platform: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with octa-core Cortex X4. And the chipset: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with MediaTek 9300 4nm chipset and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with Motlus G720 and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with Adreno 750 and both mobile come with Android 14. The memory of the device: the Vivo IQ 9 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the same Xiaomi 14 Pro 12GB and 16GB of RAM. And the internal storage: the internal storage Vivo IQ 9 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the same Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of storage and no SD card support in both mobile. Let's talk about the battery of these devices. The Vivo IQ New 9 Pro come with 5160 mAh battery and the Xiaomi 14 Pro come with 4880 mAh battery. And the charging: the both mobile come with 120 watt fast charging and Xiaomi 14 Pro only 50 watt wireless charging support. And the both mobile come with 5G network support. Common and feature is same in both devices. And the result of these devices: the Vivo IQ New 9 Pro got 20 points and the Xiaomi 14 Pro got 25 points.
Comms and features.